Hi everyone. Today in this video I am going to solve some examples on homogeneous equations. So let's get started. Examples on homogeneous equations. Solve y square plus 2xy bracket complete dx plus bracket 2x square plus 3xy bracket complete dy is equal to 0. So in this case the power of y is equal to 2. Here the power of x is 1, y is 1 means y 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Here also it is 2, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore this is a homogeneous equation of degree 2. And now first find the value for dy by dx. So I will transpose this first term to the right hand side. If we transpose first term to the right hand side, we are left with 2x square plus 3xy bracket complete dy is equal to minus y square plus 2xy plus 2xy bracket complete dx. If you transpose first term to the right hand side, you will get minus sign. Now again you have to transpose this first 2x square plus 3xy to the right hand side and dx to the left hand side, so that we will get dy divided by dx is equal to y square plus 2xy bracket complete, it has minus sign, divided by 2x square plus 3xy. So this is a homogeneous equation of degree 2. Put y is equal to vx. If you substitute the value for y is equal to vx, then what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to, I will write directly, v plus x into dv by dx. You have to differentiate right hand side term with respect to x. Substitute this value of dy by dx in the above equation. So that is v plus x into dv divided by dx is equal to minus into bracket. Next term is y square. And what is the value of y square? Y is equal to vx. So y square is equal to v square x square. That is v square and x square plus 2x. And then again substitute the value for this y. Substitute the value for y is equal to vx. So I will write this is v, x into x is equal to x square divided by, in denominator, first one is 2x square, write as it is, plus next term is 3x and substitute the value for this y. And if you substitute the value for y is equal to vx, so that is vx, x into x is equal to x square. Now here you can take x square common in numerator as well as in denominator. That is v plus x into dv divided by dx is equal to minus. You can take x square common. If you take x square common, we are left with v square and plus 2v divided by, you can take x square common in denominator, bracket 2 plus 3v, where this x square and x square get cancels. Now transpose this v to the left hand side. So we get that is x into dv divided by dx is equal to minus v square plus 2v divided by 2 plus 3v, and transpose this v to the left hand side, you will get minus v. This is equal to, if you take LCM, LCM is 2 plus 3v, and then minus into this v square is minus v square, minus into this plus 2v is minus 2v, then 2 into this minus v is minus 2v, and 3v into minus v is equal to minus 3v square. So this is equal to, now what is minus v square and minus 3v square is equal to minus 4v square, and minus 2v and minus 2v is minus 4v divided by 2 plus 3v. Here you can take minus 4 common. If you take minus 4 outside, we are left with v square plus v divided by 2 plus 3v, and left hand side we have x into dv divided by dx. Now transpose this v square plus v divided by 2 plus 3v to the left hand side, and this x divided by dx to the right hand side, we get. So here we can write it as, that is, if you transpose this right hand side term to the left hand side, you will get 2 plus 3v divided by v square plus v into dv is equal to minus 4. If you transpose x by dx to the right hand side, you will get dx divided by x. This is nothing but variable separable form. Now we have to solve this 2 plus 3v divided by v square plus v by using partial fractions. So I will write by, say this is equation number 1, I will write, and next by partial fraction, by partial fraction. So what we get, 2 plus 3v divided by v square plus v is equal to, you can write this v square plus v, if you take v common, you will get v plus 1. So this v square plus v, we can also write it as v into bracket v plus 1. So by using partial fraction, we can write it as a divided by v plus b divided by v plus 1. Now multiplying both the sides by this denominator term v into v plus 1. So what we get, that is 2 plus 3v is equal to, right hand side by using cross product, a into v plus 1 plus b into v. Both the sides LCM get cancelled. So this one you can write it as, actually LCM is v into v plus 1. By using this cross product, we can write it as a into v plus 1 plus this v into b is equal to bv, and both the sides, this LCM and this LCM get cancelled. So we are left with this 2 plus 3v and this a into v plus 1 plus b into v. And now put v plus 1 is equal to 0, means v is equal to minus 1 in this equation, both these sides in this equation. So if we substitute, the value of this v is equal to minus 1. What we get, that is 2 minus 3, and 2 minus 3 is equal to 2 into 3 into minus 1 is 2 minus 3, and 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1 is equal to. Now substitute, the value of this v is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 and this plus 1 is equal to 0 and put this v is equal to minus 1, you will get minus b into minus 1 is minus b. That implies b is equal to 1. This is one of the value. Now we have to put v is equal to 0. If you substitute v is equal to 0, what we get? That is, okay, now put the value for this v is equal to 0. So 3 into 0 is 0, means we are left with only 2 is equal to. Now this value v is equal to 0. If you substitute v is equal to 0, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 into a is equal to a here. Okay, and then next this v is equal to 0, means 0 into b is equal to 0. So the value of a is equal to 2. We have to substitute the value of a is equal to 2 here and b is equal to 1 here. So therefore above equation becomes 2 plus 3v divided by this denominator. This denominator again I will write it as v square plus v only is equal to. Now substitute the value of this a. A value is equal to 2, so that we get, that is 2 divided by v plus. Now substitute the value for this b. B is equal to 1, so you will get 1 divided by b plus 1. Substitute this value of 2 plus 3v divided by v square plus v in equation. In equation, that is equation 1, we can substitute. In this equation, if you substitute, what we get? I will write here, that is 2 divided by v plus 1 divided by v plus 1 bracket complete dv is equal to minus 4 dx divided by x. Okay, now by on integrating we get, now what? On integrating we get, I will write here, on integrating, on integrating we get. What is integration of this first term 2 divided by v? Integration of first term 2 divided by v is equal to 2 is right as it is. The remaining term is 1 by v and integration of 1 by v is log v plus. Now what is integration of this second term? Integration of 1 divided by v plus 1 is equal to logarithm of v plus 1 is equal to. Next, what is integration of this right hand side? Minus 4 into dx by x. Minus 4 right as it is. Integration of dx by x is log x plus you can take integrating constant log c. Now transpose this minus 4 log x to the left hand side, so that I will write directly 2 log v. 2 log v, we can also write it as logarithm of v square plus log v plus 1 right as it is. Log v plus 1 right as it is equal to this minus 4 log x. If you transpose to the left hand side, you will get plus 4 log x, that is plus, and 4 log x we can write it as log x raised to 4 is equal to logarithm of c. If you transpose minus 4 to the left hand side, you will get this plus sign. The remaining term is 4 log x, and 4 log x we can write it as log x raised to 4. Now log v square plus log v plus 1 plus log x raised to 4 log u plus log v plus log w. By using logarithmic property, we can write it as logarithm of u into v into w. V square into v plus 1 into x raised to 4 is equal to logarithm of c. Now both these sides log get cancelled, so that v square into v plus 1 into x raised to 4 is equal to C. At last, substitute the value for V. V value is equal to y by x, because y is equal to v by x, so v is equal to y by x. If you substitute here, you will get y square divided by x square into bracket v value is y by x plus 1 into x raised to 4 is equal to C. Now one of this x square and this x square get cancels, so that we get y square into bracket, and here LCM is x, and by using cross product we are left with y plus x, and only x square get cancels means still x square remained as it is into C. Again here one of this x and x get cancelled, so at last you will get y square into bracket y plus x bracket complete x is equal to C, or that implies simplify this x into y square into this y, total you will get xy cube, xy cube, and similarly this x into y square into this x into this y square into this x, so total it is x square and y square plus x square y square is equal to C. This is the required solution. Now next example, solve x cube plus 3xy square bracket complete dx plus y cube plus 3x square y bracket complete dy is equal to 0. So in this case also, first find the value for dy by dx. So to find the value for dy by dx, I will transpose this first term to the right hand side. So that is y cube plus 3x square y bracket complete dy is equal to minus x cube plus 3xy square bracket complete dx. Now transpose this dx to the left hand side and this y cube plus 3x square y to the right hand side, so that we get dy divided by dx is equal to minus x cube plus 3xy square bracket complete divided by y cube plus 3x square y. In this case, if you see the powers, here power is 3, here power of x is 1 and power of y is 2, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. In denominator also y raised to 3 and this x square and y raised to 1, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore, this is a homogeneous equation of degree 3. And now we have to substitute, put y is equal to Vx. If we substitute y is equal to Vx, then dy divided by dx is equal to v plus x into dv divided by dx. And you have to substitute the value for dy by dx here, so that we get, that is v plus x into dv divided by dx is equal to, now you have to substitute the value for y is equal to Vx in the right hand side. So first I will write minus as it is into bracket x cube plus 3x, and then the remaining term is this y square. Substitute the value for y square, y is equal to Vx, so y square is equal to v square and x square and this x is equal to x cube. I have written directly divided by. Similarly in denominator we have to substitute the value for v is equal to sorry, y is equal to vx, so y cube is equal to v cube and x cube plus 3x square 3x square. Now substitute the value for this y is equal to vx, so this is v, x into x square is equal to x cube, and now this is equal to v plus x into dv divided by dx is equal to, you can take x cube common, this x cube common in numerator, x cube common in denominator, so you will get x cube is common into bracket, write down the remaining terms, 1 plus 3v square divided by x cube is common into bracket v cube plus 3v. Here this x cube and x cube get cancels. Now transpose this v to the right hand side, so x into dv divided by dx is equal to minus 1 plus 3v square divided by v cube plus 3v, and transpose v to the right hand side means you will get minus v, and on simplifying this is equal to, here LCM is v cube plus 3v, and minus into this 1 is minus 1, minus into this 3v square is minus 3v square, and then v cube into this v is minus v raised to 4, and 3v into this minus v is minus 3v square. So total you will get, this is equal to, so x into dv divided by dx. So now I will write minus 1 as it is, this minus 3v square and minus 3v square, and this minus 3v square, total it is minus 6v square, and the remaining term is minus v raised to 4 divided by v cube plus 3v. Then x into dv divided by dx is equal to, you can take minus common, if we take minus common we are left with v raised to 4 plus 6v square plus 1 divided by v cube plus 3v, and now transpose this v raised to 4 plus 6v square and plus 1 divided by v cube plus 3v to the left hand side, and this x divided by dx to the right hand side, we get v cube plus 3v divided by v raised to 4 plus 6v square plus 1 into dv is equal to minus dx divided by x. Now what is the differentiation of this v raised to 4 divided by 6v square? See, the differentiation of v raised to 4 plus 6v square plus 1 is equal to 4v raised to 3 and plus 12v, and differentiation of 1 is equal to 0. If we take 4 common, we are left with v cube plus 3v. So therefore we can write the differentiation of denominator is equal to numerator, but we can write it as 1 by 4, that is logarithm of v raised to 4 plus 6v square and plus 1, or you can multiply and divide it by 4. This is divided by 4. If you multiplying with 4 here, you are multiplying divided by 4. 1 by 4 I will write as it is. 4 into v cube is 4v cube, and 4 into 3v is equal to this 12v, which will be numerator, and this is equal to minus log x plus integrating constant is log c. Now transpose this 4 to the right hand side. Logarithm of v raised to 4 plus 6v square plus 1 is equal to minus 4 log x plus 4 log c, and this is equal to, if we transpose this minus term to the left hand side, we can write it as logarithm of v raised to 4 plus 6v square and plus 1 and plus 4 into log x is equal to log c raised to 4 we can write, or 4 into this 4 log c we can write it as log c raised to 4, and here also this 4 log x we can also write it as log x raised to 4. Okay, and then by using property logarithm of v raised to 4 plus 6v square plus 1 into x raised to 4 into x raised to 4 is equal to logarithm of c raised to 4. Now put v is equal to y by x. So we get both the sides log get cancelled. So v raised to 4 is nothing but y raised to 4 divided by x raised to 4 plus 6v square means y square divided by x square plus 1 bracket complete x raised to 4 is equal to c raised to 4. Both the sides log get cancels. If you take LCM is x raised to 4, and then you will get y raised to 4 plus 6x square y square plus x raised to 4 into x raised to 4 is equal to c raised to 4. Where these two terms get cancelled, you will get the required solutions. Y raised to 4 plus 6x square y square plus x raised to 4 is equal to c raised to 4. This is the required solution.